So this is the AUXITO Y19. This is the stock halogen. Now we're about to see what they look like actually in use.
And yeah, it's like 1-for-1 scale, and it'll just pop right in. It's got the same terminals.
I would definitely give a thumbs up and recommend the AUXITO brand because these things just look amazing.
The tabs are perfect. This is all metal compared to this plastic junk. It's a very high quality product. Honest to God, it really is. And they seem to be very bright too.
And first set of LEDs I've ever put onto a BMW. It's been a fantastic experience. If we have any longevity issues, I'll bring them up, but I really don't see that happening. Like I said, I've done a bunch of research and it looks like these are really solid bulbs.
Lit up beautifully. You know, low beam, high beam. I even put on the fog lights, so you had the full brightness experience of my CR-V there. And you know, they looked pretty great.
But I've been driving with them for several weeks now and I'm very happy with the results. I haven't had anyone flash their high beams at me coming the other direction, so that tells me that my impressions about the beam pattern are correct, that they do a good job of keeping the light where it belongs.